So today I'll be talking about how to make gravity in Scratch. So we'll have two sprites called the player and the ground. Yeah. So the idea of making the gravity is by the variable in the change y by y speed. So the y speed variable will loop from forever loop. So every single frame that Scratch works, the y speed will -1 and the current y speed in the start of each frame. It means that every frame that Scratch uses, the Scratch cat will move -1 plus the current y speed in the start of each frame. So here's an example. Y speed per frame is -0 because Scratch cat is standing on the ground. So I'll set this y to 150. Then when we remove the ground Scratch cat will be moved per frame -1 and its current y is 149. And so on. Y changes per frame of this frame is -2, so its current y is 147, and like that, so on. Thank you for listening. Let's get back to the composition of the player. I'll set it like this. It's for example, you'll do anything you want. Then you create a variable called y speed. Then you set the y speed to 0. Next, we'll create a forever loop and then change y speed by -1. And also we'll change y by y speed. And yeah, we have created the gravity for the player. Next, we will put an if block. If the player touches the ground, then we'll change y by 0 minus y speed. Copy this. And then we'll set the y speed by 0. And we'll have the perfect gravity. And thank you for listening. And bye bye.